We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So obviously those words look rather similar, but their pronunciations are quite different. The one on the top is said in British English as bottom, bottom, so a clear O sound and an M sound at the end, bottom, emphasis on that first syllable. Now if you're interested in how this sounds in American English, bottom, bottom. Now the lower word here is said in British English as button, button, so not a B sound anymore but a B sound, button, button. Now in American English this is said as button, button, so bottom versus button, bottom, button. If you want the American English versions of those words, bottom versus button. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Could you hear the differences? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.